Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's computer lecture of class ninth, and we are discussing our chapter number 4, that is storage devices. In our previous lecture we discussed our question number 6, that was the working of memory, and the main memory is connected to the CPU through data bus, control bus and address bus, and how to read and write data. Firstly, CPU places the read request on the control bus, then CPU places the address of the byte or word on the address bus, and then memory units reads the command and it puts the required data on the data bus, and CPU then reads this data from the data bus. And writing data, CPU places the write request on the control bus, then in address bus, and when memory units get ready to do the operation, then CPU puts the data on the data bus, and memory unit reads this data and places it in the specified memory address. Okay student, that was our previous question. Our today's question is question number 7, that is describe the memory mirroring units. What are memory mirroring units? In digital computer, the data is represented as a collection of bits. Mostly you see that in digital computers the data is represented collection of bits, and these different storage mirroring units are as follows: bit, byte and nibble. These are memory mirroring units. Firstly we will discuss bit. What is bit? Binary digit 1 or 0, that is called a bit. Bit stands for binary digit, and it is the smallest unit for storing data in the computer memory. 1 or 0, 1 or 0, that is binary form, and that is the language of computer, because computer understand this language easily, and these are smallest unit for storing data in the computer memory. And main memory consists of large number of electronic switches. Mostly main memory has electronic switches, and each switch has two states, which states on or off. On state represents 1 and off state represents 0. It means that if you want to open any command in your computer, then you will use on state for represent, you will use on state for represent 1, and your 1 represents the on state, your command is on, and your 0 represents the off state for storing data in the computer. And our next memory mirroring unit is byte. Group of 8 bits, that is called byte, and the storage capacity is mirrored in bytes. Mostly the storage capacity which is used in your computer, these are mirrored in bytes, and the data and program size are also mirrored in number of bytes. If you want to store any data in your computer, these are stored in bytes. And the storage capacity of the memory is expressed in bytes. Mostly storage devices, your any data can be stored in bytes. And our next memory mirroring unit is bit. Nibble. Now we will discuss that nibble. What is nibble? Nibble is a memory mirroring unit that is used in computer for storing data, and a group of 4 bits, that is called a nibble, and 1 byte is equal to 2 nibbles. Okay, and different memory mirroring units are memory mirroring units for mirroring data in your computer, for storing data in your computer. Which memory mirroring units are used? One nibble. One nibble is equal to 4 bits. In one nibble, 4 bits are provided for storing data. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 KB, kilobyte. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. If you store data in kilobyte, then 1024 bytes are in 1 kilobyte. And 1 MB, megabyte, 1 MB is equal to 1024 kilobyte. If you have 1 MB, then you have stored 1024 kilobytes. 1 GB, gigabyte, is equal to 1024 megabyte, and 1 TB, terabyte, is equal to 1024 GB. if you store data 1 GB, then that is equal to 1024 megabytes are in 1 GB. These are memory measuring units for storing the data in your computer, and these are very important measuring units, so you will learn all these measuring units very well. Okay students, today we have discussed that our question number 7, that is in your chapter number 4. And today we have discussed that what is bit. Bit stands for binary digit, that is 1 or 0, and smallest unit for storing data in the computer memory. And main memory consists of large number of electronic switches, and each switch has two states, on or off. On state represents 1 in command in your computer, and off state represents 0. And what is byte? Group of 8 bits, that is called a byte. And the storage capacity is measured in bytes, and the data and program size are also measured in number of bytes. And nibble, a group of 8 bits is called a nibble, and 1 byte is equal to 2 nibbles, and 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, and 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte, and 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB. In 1 gigabyte your 1024 MBs are provided, then you can store 1024 MBs in 1 GB, and 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 GB. Okay students, you will learn this question, that is very important question, and I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.